had this request quite a few times recently from clients, and it's, can we add a vertical line here or a vertical line there? And sometimes they'll obviously ask for a horizontal line as well. Clients quite like a grid look to the page, and so with Squarespace, luckily, a horizontal line's super easy to do. There's literally a line block. But one thing that isn't as easy to do, well, I say it's not easy. It is with code. But anyway, one thing that isn't natively available is the ability to just add a vertical line. So what I want to do in this video is show you how to do it super, super simple with a little code block and then a little bit of CSS to style it. So first off, we want to find the page that we want to add the code to. Now, if I click edit, and let's say I want to add a vertical line down the center of this image here. So I'll add a block, and then we'll find a code block. And then what I'll do is I'll center this on the page. So we centered it there, and when we get the yellow line, that's how we know it's centered. Double click in, get rid of that code, and we're going to paste that in there. Now, for some reason, it's messed up a little bit, so I'll just drag this down. We'll drag the image back down to roughly where it was. And then we've got our line here. So if I save this, obviously we're going to want this line a little bit bigger, but we exit website, and then we're going to go down to website tools. Inside there, we've got custom CSS, and here's one that I made earlier. So essentially, we're saying background, that's the color of your line. So I've got it as white. You can make it black. No, that's not black. You can make it black. You can make it red. You can do whatever you want. You can use, names. You can use hex codes. You can use RGB, whatever. But we'll keep it white for now. So let's just go FFF. And then we've got height. So we can specify this with pixels. Let's just say we want a bit bigger. So not that much. We'll do 450 and see where that gets us. And then maybe a little bit bigger, 550. And then with Fluid Engine, super annoying, Squarespace is going to make the image way bigger. So what we can do is we can drag that back down like so. Nice and easy. And then we'll drag this back up here to, let's just say around here. So this can take a little bit of time to get right. It's took me on this tutorial a little bit of time to get right. But anyway, let's save this, and we want the lady's face to still show. So let's go there. Exit. Then we can specify the width. So start at 1, go up to 2. You can go as much as you want. You can be stupid, go up to 99. Well, go even higher than that if you want. Let's just do even, not like this even matters. We'll do 5. And then basically the margin is just going to keep it centered. So if I take that margin off, maybe I need to refresh it. I'll refresh the page, and you'll see our line is going to scoot off to the left of the block. So if I go into edit, you'll see our block, and it's sat right at the left hand side. So what we want to do is go margin, auto, and that's going to center it nicely. Just in case, I'm going to stick importance on there as well. Hit save, and there we go. Easy peasy. Hopefully now you know how to do your vertical lines as well as your horizontal lines. If you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.